If conditional. Conditional tenses are used to speculate about what could happen, what might have happened, and what we wish would happen. In English, most sentences using conditional contain the word if. Many conditional forms in English are used in sentence that includes verbs in one of the past tenses. This usage is referred to as the unreal past because we use a past tense, but we're not actually referring to something that happened in the past. So there are four main ways of constructing conditional sentences in English. Check it out.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Helmi. I'm from 11th grade of Industrial Electronic Engineering A. So today I want to tell you a little about if conditional material. So tanpa berlama-lama lagi, let's get it started. Okay guys, first I want to tell you the definition about conditional sentence type 0. Seperti definisinya, kegunaannya, dan waktu yang tepat untuk memakai conditional sentence type 0 ini. First, the definition of zero conditional. Zero conditional is a sentence pattern that is used when the condition is a condition and the effect certain to happen. Okay, next ada formula atau rumus untuk conditional sentence type 0 ini. First, yang pertama itu ada if plus simple present tense. Dan yang kedua ada if plus subject plus verb 1. Oke, next saya akan menjelaskan tentang waktu yang tepat untuk menggunakan conditional tense type 0 ini. The zero conditional is used for when the time being referred to is now or always and the situation is real and possible. Zero conditional is often used to refer to general truths. The tense in both parts of the sentence is the simple present. In zero conditional sentence, the word if can usually be replaced by the word when without changing the meaning. Okay? This applies to both sides of the clause, main clause and also if clause. Okay, example in if clause use if plus simple present. Seperti contohnya, if this thing happens, if you hit ice, if it rains. Dan di main clause use simple present only. Seperti contohnya, that things happens, it melts, the grass gets wet. Jadi di main clause ini tidak menggunakan if, hanya simple present tense saja. It should also be noted that zero conditional can also use the imperative sentence, common sentence, in the main clause section, while in the if clause section, you can still use the simple present.
Type 1 conditional form. In a type 1 conditional sentence, the tense in the if clause is the simple present, and the tense in the main clause is the simple future. Structure if clause atau condition if plus simple present, dan main clause atau result simple future. As in all conditional sentence, the order of the clause is not fixed, dan Anda mungkin harus mengatur ulang kata ganti dan menyesuaikan tanda baca saat Anda mengubah urutan klausa tetapi artinya identik. Examples: if it rains, you will get wet, and you will get wet if it rains. Number 2, if Sally is late again, I will be mad. And I will be mad if you Sally is late again. Fungsi conditional type 1. The type 1 conditional refers to a possible conditional and its problem result. These sentences are based on fact and they are used to make statements about the real world and about particular situation. We often use such sentence to give warnings in type 1 conditional sentence. The time, if the present or future, and the situation is real. Examples: if I have time, I will finish that later. Number 2, what will you do if you miss the plan? Number 3, nobody will notice if you make a mistake. In type 1 conditional sentence, you can also use modals in the main clause instead of the future tense to express the degree of certainty, permission, or a recommendation about the outcome. Examples: if you drop that glass, it might break. Examples 2. I may finish the letter if I have time.
Next is type 2 conditional. In the type 2 conditional sentence, the tense in the if clause is the simple past, and the tense in the main clause is the present conditional or the present continuous conditional. So here's basically: the if clause is if this thing happened, the main clause is that thing what happened. Next is function. The type 2 conditional refers to an unlikely or hypothetical condition and its probable result. These sentences are not based on the actual situation. In type 2 conditional sentences, the time is now or any time, and the situation is hypothetical. For example, if the weather wasn't so bad, we would go to the park, but the fact is, the weather is bad, so we can't go. If she was the Queen of England, she would give everyone a chicken, but the fact is, she is not the Queen. In type 2 conditional sentences, you can also use modals in the main clause instead of would to express the degree of certainty, permission, or a recommendation about the outcome. For examples, we might buy a larger house if we had more money. He could go to the concert if you give him your ticket. If he called me, I couldn't hear.
The type 3 conditional refers to an impossible condition in the past. Jadi, conditional sentence type 3 ini membahas sesuatu yang tidak terjadi di masa lampau atau something didn't happen. For example, if you hadn't lied to me before, I would have believed you. Jadi, jika kamu tidak berbohong kepada saya, maka saya akan percaya kepada kamu. Tapi, faktanya, you lied to me and I don't believe you. Jadi, kamu berbohong kepada saya dan saya tidak percaya kepada kamu. Nah, untuk struktur kalimatnya yaitu if plus past perfect tense, subject plus would plus have and plus verb 3. Nah, kalimat conditional sentence ini untuk menyatakan penyesalan yang tidak pernah terjadi di masa lalu.